Welcome to Fuel for the Soul Season 3 with Darius Garrett, where in just a few minutes, we reset the mindset, recharge the spirit, and refocus the heart. These are bite-sized messages with life-sized impact. Motivational Mondays to push you forward, Wisdom Wednesdays to steady your steps. No long lectures, just truth, encouragement, and fuel for the journey. Now, let's get into your motivation and wisdom with Darius Garrett.
Hey, what's going on, family? Hey, there was something on my heart I wanted to share. There's so much going on in this world right now, guys. People afraid, families being torn apart by ICE, jobs being lost, sickness, addiction, violence everywhere you look. Just this week, I learned of 3 different deaths of young people under their 30s and 40s, dying of strokes, heart attacks, violence, just simply gone too soon. So I got to ask this question to all of you. When are we going to fight back? When are we going to get mad and say, no more? Enough is enough. Enough of the systems that keeps us sick, broke, and mentally drained. It's not okay. They profit while we're popping pills. They win while we're exhausted, anxious, and divided. It's time that we start educating ourselves. It's time that we start checking on one another. It's time that we become intentional about hope, encouragement, and positivity, y'all. As I try to pour into you, I ask that you pour into others, because positivity works like a ripple effect. One small pebble tossed in the water can travel further than you can even imagine. So let's be that pebble. Let's make hope contagious. Let's fight back with love, positivity, knowledge, and unity. So do me a favor and make this Monday motivational for those around you, those you love, and the person you should love as well, yourself. God bless you all. Have a great day.
Thanks for tuning into Fuel for the Soul with Darius Garrett. Follow, like, and share this podcast with someone who needs a word today. Connect with I Am Darius Garrett on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And remember, you don't need a perfect past to spark a powerful future. Stay grounded, stay grateful, stay fueled.